Triumph's 2025 Speed Twin lineup is here, and it's raising the bar for retro-modern motorcycles. With a perfect mix of nostalgia, cutting-edge technology, and performance upgrades, these bikes are built to dominate. Today on ABD Tech Lab, we're giving you an in-depth look at the new Speed Twin 1200 and its sportier sibling, the 1200 RS. Stay with us till the end, because these bikes have some jaw-dropping updates you won't want to miss. Since its launch in 2019, the Speed Twin has captured hearts with its retro charm and thrilling performance. It bridges the gap between Triumph's laid-back Bonneville and the aggressive Speed Triple. And for 2025, Triumph has taken things even further, revamping the design, enhancing the engine, and introducing the RS model, which replaces the iconic Thruxton RS. Let's break down what's new and exciting. Let's talk about what powers these beasts. Both bikes share the same 1,200 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, but it's been tuned for 2025 to deliver an extra 5 horsepower, bringing the total to 103.5 horsepower at 7,750 RPM. The torque remains a hefty 82.6 lb-ft at just 4,250 RPM, ensuring plenty of low-end grunt for city rides and highway pulls. The updates include a new camshaft and intake system, giving the engine a smoother, more responsive feel, while still delivering that signature Triumph growl. And check this out, the engine cases have been redesigned for a slimmer, sharper look, perfectly complementing the bike's more modern aesthetic. It's retro, yes, but with a bold, aggressive edge. Triumph has made significant changes to the bike's design. The new fuel tank now has a forward-leaning shape, adding a sense of speed and aggression even when the bike is standing still. The long, flat seat maintains its classic look, but the updated side panels integrate more seamlessly with the overall design. And up front, the LED headlight gives the Speed Twin a sharper, more contemporary face. These bikes scream retro muscle, with just the right touch of modern sophistication. Now, here's where things get really exciting. The suspension setup on the base Speed Twin 1200 is designed for comfort, featuring Marzocchi forks with softer springs and rear shocks with piggyback reservoirs. It's perfect for relaxed road trips or city cruising. But the RS? It's built for performance. Fully adjustable Öhlins shocks in the rear, firmer springs, and a sportier stance make it the most agile Speed Twin yet. The Brembo Stylema brakes on the RS offer razor-sharp stopping power, while the base model still gets solid Triumph-branded radial calipers for confident braking. Triumph didn't just stop at suspension. They've also tailored the riding ergonomics to match each model's personality. The base Speed Twin has raised handlebars for a more upright and relaxed position. On the RS, the handlebars are lower and slightly forward, with rear-set foot pegs to give you a sportier, more aggressive feel. This means you can choose the bike that fits your riding style, whether it's relaxed cruising or adrenaline-fueled corner carving. Both bikes feature Triumph's updated dash cluster, a combination of a classic round dial with modern LCD and color TFT screens. This setup includes turn-by-turn navigation, phone connectivity, and even a USB-C port for charging. And here's a first, the RS is the only bike in Triumph's modern classics lineup to feature a shift-assist quickshifter for seamless up and down gear changes. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference during spirited rides. Triumph knows how important customization is to riders. That's why both models come with a wide range of accessories, from clip-on handlebars for a cafe racer look to a sleek seat cowl. And let's not forget the stunning paint options. These bikes don't just perform well, they look incredible doing it. With all these updates, the 2025 Speed Twin lineup offers incredible value. The base model starts at $13,595, while the performance-focused RS comes in at $15,995. Whether you're looking for a versatile all-rounder or a sporty roadster, Triumph has you covered. So, which one is your favorite, the comfort-oriented Speed Twin 1200 or the adrenaline-pumping RS? Let us know in the comments.